how to fix Steam VR error on Quest 2 or Quest 3. Now, if you are getting this specific error, it has been experienced by other people. With that, you can pretty much expect that they have some sort of procedure to pretty much potentially help you with this specific problem. Now, there is a common fix apparently that is being talked around in Steam. So that procedure is over here. Pretty much a great workaround apparently. As you can see, it's pretty much the same method. But anyways, this is to disable the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So all you have to do is to navigate to settings, go to your system, and then your display. At the bottom, select the button labeled graphics or Windows 11 Plus or graphics settings on Windows 10. If prompted, you can click the change default graphics settings, but what you're gonna have to do is to disable the setting for hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Then you're gonna have to restart your PC. So if you're still constantly getting errors though, apparently, if you still have internet connections on your PC, it might be a service provider issue or a bandwidth issue on your local network. Steam VR may show those errors when your PC's internet cuts out and it recovers on its own if you don't press anything. So they have observed that in VRChat, when they're not using a VPN, the connection recovers, so they can rejoin the world just fine. But when they are using a VPN, it pretty much puts them in the error world, so they're gonna have to restart the game. But with that information, hopefully it can help you, and if it can though, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.